In today's class, we will see about ratios. So in a fruit basket, number of apples is 8 and number of oranges is 6. Hence the total number of fruits is 8 plus 6, which will give us 14. Ratio is denoted by the symbol colon. So when ratio of apples to oranges, it means apples colon oranges, that is the number of apples which is 8 and number of oranges which is 6. So it is written as 8:6. Similarly, ratio of oranges to apples, it is written as oranges is to apple, which means number of oranges is 6 and number of apples is 8. Hence it is written as 6:8. When ratio of apples to total number is asked, we write apples is to total, where the number of apples is 8 and the total amount of fruits is 14, which is written as 8:14. And ratio of oranges to total is written as the number of oranges is to the total amount of fruits, that is 6:14. So comparing 8 and 6, 8 is the number of apples and 6 is the number of oranges. We know 8 is greater than 6, so it's written as 8 greater than 6. So ratio can be explained or defined as comparing two numbers or two quantities and denoting which one is greater than the other. So the important notes to remember is ratio has no units and ratio can be expressed in the form of fractions, decimals and even percentages. And the order of numbers is important in ratio. The order is 8:6 and 6:8 are not the same. They both are different. So let's see an example for ratios. A person has number of red cars is 12, silver cars is 9 and blue cars is 4. Hence the total cars is 12 plus 9 plus 4, which gives us 25. So the first question is ratio of silver cars to red cars. Since it has mentioned as silver cars to red cars, we write in the form of ratio silver is to red. That is the number of silver cars and the number of red cars. Hence it is written as 9:12. In the form of fraction, silver is written on the numerator and red is written in the denominator. Hence it is written as 9 divided by 12. 9 and 12 can be simplified further to 3 divided by 4. Hence, after finding the fraction, we can write the ratio as 3:4. The next is percentage. Since we have to find out the percentage, we multiply it with 100. Silver divided by red is multiplied with 100. That is 9 divided by 12 multiplied with 100. So 9 divided by 12 multiplied with 100 can be simplified further by cancelling. 12 and 9 with 3 times of 9 and 4 times of 12 and 2 times of 4 and 50 times of 100, 1 time of 2 and 25 times. So 3 into 25 will give us 75% as the answer. The next one is ratio of red cars to total cars. Hence it is written as red is to the total number of cars. Red is 12 and total number of cars is 25. Hence it is written as 12:25. In the form of fraction, we write red in the numerator and total in the denominator. Hence it is written as 12 divided by 25. 12 and 25 cannot be simplified further, hence it is left as it is. Next we have is percentages. So red divided by total is multiplied with 100. We know 12 divided by 25 is multiplied with 100, where it can be simplified further by cancelling. So 5 times and 20 times, 4 times. So we get 48% as the final answer. So let's see another example. Length of a wood is 150 centimeter. So consider this as a wood. and which has a length of 150 centimeter. The 150 centimeter length wood is cut into two parts, which is 2 and 3. And the one part which has 2 pieces and the other part has 3 pieces. So on total, we have 5 parts, and that we add the ratios 2:3. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Hence, the total number of parts is 5. To find out the length of each piece, the formula is one part of the wood, which is 2 and 3, divided by total number of parts, which is 5, is multiplied with the total length. Hence, for the first one, we take 2 divided by the total number of parts 5 multiplied with 150. Hence, we cancel 30 times, which gives us 2 into 30 is 60 centimeter. And for the second part, 3 divided by 5 multiplied with 150, again it gives us cancelling 3 into 30, which is 90 centimeter. To check the answers whether we have got is correct, we can add both the answers, 60 plus 90, which gives us 150 centimeter, which is the length of the wood. So in today's class, we saw about ratios, where we have to remember 3 important notes. A ratio has no units. A ratio can be expressed in the form of decimals, percentages, and even fraction. And the most important note is, a ratio has to be denoted in the proper order. Thank you.